Welcome to our channel. Today we how to check IHSS payroll tax information portal dashboard step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official IHSS website. Look for the payroll option in the menu. Click on the payroll portal link to access the dashboard. Enter your user ID and password in the provided fields. Click on the login button to enter your account. Once you're on the dashboard, locate the Payroll Taxes section. Click on the Payroll Taxes option to view detailed information. Review the displayed tax information carefully. You will see your earnings, deductions, and any applicable tax rates. If you need more details, look for links to related documents or reports. For additional assistance, check the FAQ section provided on the portal. If you encounter any issues, contact IHSS support for help. Always log out after you finish checking your information for security. Make sure to keep your login details confidential. Regularly check your payroll tax information to stay informed about your earnings. This will ensure you understand your responsibilities and entitlements. This concludes the process for checking your IHSS payroll tax information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.